Here at Engineering Real Results Ltd, we're an innovative company specialising in gas, renewables, welding, plumbing and electrics courses. We have state-of-the-art centres based around the country, all of which are accredited by fully recognised awarding bodies. We are delighted to be able to deliver to our students full MVQs. We do this by giving them the opportunity to work on live construction sites.
My name's Pete. I worked here on my MVQ. It was a good experience. It was nice to come out onto site. This was my on-site experience. My goal was to push myself through the MVQ. Once I had a full-time job, this is what I did. I just pushed myself to do it. We
acquired a disused youth hostel, which was vacant for a number of years and in a seriously dilapidated condition. We then converted this youth hostel by stripping the building back to its very core and effectively rebuilding the internal fabric.
My name's Aaron. I've worked on this building doing my MVQ. Yeah, it was good. I've never worked on a new build before, but no, it was really good. The staff was really friendly, good, always there to help. I just had focus that I wanted to get my MVQ. I know you can do it in your own sort of time, can't you? You know, take your holidays at work sort of thing, just yeah, at your own sort of need, like book weeks off. It's easier really, works around you. So you can work full time and get your qualification. Yeah, no, best thing I've ever done.
I'm Neil Collishaw, I'm the Chief Executive Officer of BPEC. We're here today to celebrate this wonderful achievement and seeing the specification of these flats here in Eastwood. It's really encouraging to see the standard of work that's been achieved by the students and them being able to achieve their award in the conversion of this lovely building.
I was in a dead-end job before, so this has obviously helped me no end. I'll hopefully go sort of self-employed or potentially run a company if I can, or get my gas as well. So yeah, and just keep getting higher up the ladder in the game.
We are an award-winning company that uses innovative virtual reality as part of our students' learning process and journey towards them obtaining their NVQ.
So I've never been academic, not at all, but hands-on, give it a go. You might surprise yourself. Yeah, best thing ever. Yeah, get a career instead of dead-end jobs.
Here at Engineering Real Results Ltd, we provide fantastic opportunities for our students to complete their MVQs and get the job that they want.